silos, but they have to query those information in one single platform. So for those use cases, especially for enterprise clients, this product would be an ideal fit.
What do you mean by the second part of your statement when you say query on a single platform? What do you mean by that?
Which means, for example, you have data in conference page, you have a data in Jira ticket, or you have data in Slack. So there could be data for different departments that are organized in different tools. This platform can effectively integrate with that, fetch those information, and organize it in a vector DB. Once you query it, based on it fetches one part of information from data source A, it fetches another part of information from data source B, combines that and give you a full-fledged answer.
And is that data query to different sources and then organization of data to prepare the answer done real time? Or do you create a local data store in a central platform where you pull data from various sources and you only work with that central location? What's your architecture? Or is it hybrid? Depending on the business use case, sometimes you may have to localize certain data or centralize, I should say. And in other cases, you would leave data where it is and you'll follow the data mesh architecture of microservices where via API you have built all those integrations and then pull in data as and when needed. What is the reference architecture?
Precise to the point, sir. It's hybrid. Primarily, we focus on data with a Celery job. We fetch the relevant information, and then we vectorize that, dump it into a Vespa DB. On the other hand, for particular use cases, we may upload a file or a data source and fetch from those files and data sources as well. So it's ideally hybrid.
Okay, got it. All right, please proceed.
And what we essentially provide is that your own choice of LLM with the integration of different data sources, and at the same time, the channel of delivery as well. You can integrate the bot with Slack, the bot with Teams, so that it could be easily available for the entire members of your organization.
Okay, so you can go back to the previous slide for a quick second. So the tool that we bring to the table is cloud agnostic. It can integrate with any LLM. It can integrate with our LLM. The morning demo that I saw, Bala, it can integrate. I'm assuming it is already integrated with that, correct?
Yes. Actually, this is a couple of LLMs in that we deployed in our GPU. It can be used any LLM of choice.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. So we could be a one-stop shop, or we can allow the clients to pick and choose where they want to go. So
so we have all LLMs deployed, and they can choose whichever they want.
I was going in a slightly different direction when I said one-stop shop or pick and choose. What I meant by that we could provide an end-to-end solution, pre-built solution. What I mean by that is that I have an engine that already integrates with multiple data sources, most of the known standard data sources and applications. I've already pre-built certain workflows. I've already organized data in a certain form. I've done that. I already also have a UI where I enable organizations to work with non-standard data sources, documents, etc., where you can process that. And we have built this on multitude of LLMs. So either we can bring the whole solution and just work with you and very quickly set it up for you. Or if you want an LLM of your choice, you want a data source of your choice, then we work with you in that direction. Those are the two methods that I'm thinking we can present to our clients.
Yes, I think plug and play, they can choose, so some part of it, they want to use their part and integrate with us. All the options open.
Okay, and it says chat interface. So Akash, are you planning to also build a voice interface besides text interface?
So the voice interface part, actually we can build. So it's not, I think, exists right now, but it can be easily built.
Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
we have it as a separate POC altogether. It's done,
Okay.
but we haven't integrated it yet.
Yeah. The only reason I'm suggesting is because almost everyone is now asking for that multimodal interface, voice, text, and images.
Exactly. Yeah, that's where the industry is heading towards. We can do
Please
the
proceed.
same.
Okay, please proceed.
And ideally, so this is an overall forecast, which we call it as private GPT for enterprise customers. This will have access to the enterprise data and can able to give any information based upon those particular enterprises.
Sorry, go back there. Where is this data coming from? 2030 forecast 17 billion, 2023 4.6 billion. Is this for US only? Is this global? And is this from Gartner? Who is giving this data?
This was primarily from McKinsey and Crunchbase. So these are the two major sources where we pulled out the data and targeted for global market.
So globally, enterprise AI agent market is only 4 billion? I'm surprised.
I think that's probably, I have Gardner report, Gardner, and, for